So guys, the concrete work has been over in my front yard as well as my backyard. You might see this hole, and you might have seen in many concrete work. Do you know what this is? This is to treat the pressure. Okay. It's completely dried, but still I am not using it. Rather, I am waiting for few more days because it's not mandatory for me to use it now. Because if I try to use it now, like I can, but I just want to give it some more time, right? Let me show the backyard. Before that, they have put concrete here also. So this area is also finished. Now this is my backyard concrete. It is done. Okay. As you can see, it is looking great now. So that's amazing, right? So basement work is done. Hopefully soon I'll find tenants and all. So yeah, this is gonna be the entrance for my basement. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.